If I could forgive him, I would. Please believe me. And I know that I should throw the towel in, but baby, it's not that easy. Hey, you treat me so much better than him, and if I was sane, there'll be no competition. But I'm in love with someone else. You should go and find someone else that will treat you right, give you the world. Someone who understands the man you are. Baby, you shine so bright, and now it's just damn your star. A girl who treats you like you treat them. Why, I know there's many women who would love to have a man